So over the course of me being a mom, we have faced homelessness. There has been seasons of sleeping in our vehicle. This is what I got. I was able to get it down a little lower, and I'm gonna sit right there. Let's do this. We got this. In this very empty home that has lots of echoes. It's gonna be great. Okay, that's gonna have to do. You'll see that I am echoing, so forgive my audio. It'll make sense here in a minute, but let's see. Falling in love with Jesus, falling in love. Oh, it's so accurate. Okay, here we go. Ready, set, action. Hi, welcome to Restoration Stories. You may be familiar with our Dear Diaries series, which ended at episode 15. So thank you so much for going on that journey with me. I wanted to tell you something. As you saw from the thumbnail, we have moved again. Before we jump into the why of our recent move and why I am in an empty house yet again, I wanted to introduce you to our restoration stories. You watched Dear Diary 12, and if you didn't, I will pop the thumbnail on one of these sides. I explained that when we first moved into that home, that I thought I had a job and I ended up not having that job. I also shared that I had to have a hard conversation with my landlord because that home was a rental. So the Lord used that home to provide us with stability. We lived in that house for about 2.5, coming into 3 years. And now this video, I am coming to you as a home owner. Listen! I'm literally sitting on the floor. There's zero furniture in this home. So over the course of me being a mom, we have faced homelessness. There has been seasons of sleeping in our vehicle. There has been seasons of where we've had roommates, been on a housing programs, different housing programs in Atlanta. And a part of those housing programs, we were roommates with even strangers. So when I share restoration stories, I'm really sharing from a place of what restoration looks like practically, what my life step by step is looking like as I am walking out the term restoration. So again, after facing homelessness and sleeping in our vehicle and having roommates and moving and going and all of the things, I am now speaking to you as a home owner, all right? And as you look at the things that I am sharing, I want to encourage you to think about restoration in your life. Rather, that's restoration from a job. That could be restoration with your employment, restoration with your finances, restoration in your family, restoration in relationships. There are so many things in life that in seasons we lose. And then there are seasons where you begin to get those things back. And so I want to invite you on this journey. Much of this content will be shared in short form. And I encourage you to watch it and engage with the content, leave comments below, also share this with others, and really just walk along this journey with me, just as you did during our Dear Diary series. These stories that I'm sharing connects deeply with the stage play that I am actually preparing, which connects to healing, faith, and restoration. So again, I invite you to join us here. I'll share more about the stage play as we near the dates to come. But in the meantime, I want you to enjoy these stories and just journey along with us on this restoration journey. Literally, I'm a person that, again, faced homelessness with my child. And I can remember sleeping in a vehicle when it was super, super cold outside. And now I am a homeowner. So I just want to be a reminder to you and an encouragement to you that God blesses with no respect of person. And if He's restored things in my life, He's more than able to restore things in your life as well. That's all that I have for this video. Until the next one, stay patient, stay present, and trust the process. Restoration and beyond are possible. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.